How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can turn off active status on Instagram. So in order to turn off active status on Instagram, go ahead and open up your Instagram application or log in into your account. As soon as you're logged into your account, click on the profile icon in the bottom right hand side corner. After that, go to your tab bar icon in the upper right hand side once again, and from there go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Over here you'll need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option as activity or account status. That go ahead and tap on the settings button. Here you'll need to scroll down and go to account. As soon as you've done that, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find activity status. So over here you'll need to click on privacy, scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find activity status. So in order to turn it off, you need to toggle the switch, and as soon as you've done that, the green dot icon will be removed. And that is basically how you can turn off active status on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.